Hi, I'm Samuel, and today what we're going to learn is how to use programming to control the program of the EV3 robot. First of all, you need a EV3 brick and a USB. The EV3 brick is basically the brain of the robot. Now what we're going to do is turn on the brick, and how we do that is we press the middle button and we press it for a while, 2 to 3 seconds, and you might need to wait a bit because it's a bit slow. When you hear the sound, that means it turned on, and you could see the screen. The next thing is you want to plug the head of the cable into the PC port and use the USB and plug it into the computer port. And this way you connect the computer and the robot. When you connect both the robot and the computer, you will see that at the bottom right of your EV3 Mindstorms program, you will see the screen or the block become like this, and you press download. As you can see, when you press download, you will hear the sound of the program downloading into the robot. This means that the program has already been downloaded into the main brick of the robot. What we've learned is how to open and close the EV3 robot, and looking at this, now when we turn on the robot, we can go and choose my first program and choose a program, which is what we programmed, which is the dog bark. Now, how we close or turn off the robot is we press the button at the top left. You press the upper left and you press it until you see the power button, the little screen in the middle, and make sure you make sure you switch into the check, and the robot will turn itself off. Now we will try to turn on the robot again, and it's simple. Remember just to press on the middle button for a while until the light turns on. And just make sure to wait a while, don't get impatient, and it will turn on in a bit. When you hear the sound, that means it has successfully turned on, and you'll see that the program is still on there. Thanks everyone for watching, and make sure to watch the next video. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel.